These locations effectively are terror training camps. They're also launch pads for the Lashkar-e-Toiba. We had visited this very spot in Muridke back in 2010. Let's get you that report to give you a sense of what it looked like. And you can also compare that to the images that have now come in of it looking completely destroyed, decimated, blown to bits.
A sign that screams, this is the headquarters of the Jamaat-ud-Dawa. An automatic Kalashnikov-wielding man stands at the gate. There are other armed men behind these high walls and barbed wires. Located 30 kilometers from Pakistan's second largest city, Lahore. For the first time ever, we take you inside these forbidding gates. Headlines Today takes you inside the headquarters of the Jamaat-ud-Dawa, the front organization for the Lashkar-e-Toiba. This is the first time ever that an Indian news channel has crossed the fortified barricade at Muridke. Muridke is acknowledged worldwide for being the headquarters of Hafiz Mohammad Saeed, the professor of terror. Hafiz Saeed has been declared an international terrorist by the United Nations. Security Council Resolution 1267 passed in December 2008 bans this man and his organization, the Jamaat-ud-Dawa. For a few months after 26/11, there was a complete ban on the Jamaat. But now Hafiz Saeed and the Jamaat are back, and how? The JUD headquarters is spread over 75 sprawling acres in Muridke, a mere 30 kilometers from Lahore. The Pakistan government promised to shut down the JUD, but that has still not happened. Even though the Jamaat-ud-Dawa tries very hard to pass off this compound as a charitable institute, but talk within the compound still revolves very much around terror. They continue to ideologically support the Lashkar-e-Toiba. This is exactly the poison that's fed to young impressionable minds when they come to attend classes in Muridke. Poison that later takes the form of Ajmal, Amir Kasab and others who go on to wage war against India.